Hey YouTube world, welcome back to my channel, Clee's Backyard Woodworking. I'm David. Today we're going to unbox Dremel 4300 at Orchard Supply Hardware closing down sale. Great deal, couldn't pass it up. So let's get right into unboxing it and check out the features and the attachments. So right now, this is the 4300 540. It has 5 attachments, 40 accessories. And let's open it up. So I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. Alrighty, so here we go. That's a nice sturdy case. Open it up. Nice and neat. There's a little slot here for the instruction manual. Alright. It does have a 2-year limited warranty. Here are the attachments. Right here. 5 attachments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are the accessories. This one here. Nice little clip-on case. Very cool. It's taped on. We'll get into it a little later. Right, here is the Dremel 4300. So it is variable speed. It comes with a light. The light's battery operated. So it screws off like that. Okay, so let's go through the attachments on this Dremel. First, to take it off, we got the light here. Remove these two and the chuck. So the first thing is, you hold on to the locking nut. And twist it. Oh, there we go. Screw the nose cap, and the light will come with it. All right. So let's try on the shield. Shield, screw right on, and tighten, and you can put on the chuck again. There we go. So we have the shield. The garden sharpening stone guide. You'll screw this on with the stone. You insert this into either the chuck or the collet, and then you can put in a knife or something and we'll sharpen it right up. Now we have the sanding guide. Put this right in here. Get there's sanding bit right here. Put in the collet. Tighten it right on there. And then you can adjust it. Just how much you want sand, just a little bit. And you have the cutter guide. Cutter guide, screw that on. You can measure it up, how deep or how high you want to go. You can do 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch. You can do 5, 10, 15, 20 millimeters. So that's very handy, how deep you want to do your cuttings. So that's awesome. Now, let's unscrew this right off. Okay. So now let's go look at the accessories. So we have the collet nut and the collet to put in your bits. to control and have more detailed accuracy on them. So we have these. We have these little wire brushes, wire wheels, some grinding stones. We have the drill bit. Cover the drill bit. Some polishing compound, so you can use on your polishing wheels. And these will be attached to this little screw on right here. Just like that. And then you polish up some metal. And then we have this easy locking bit where you can put in your sanding wheels. These easily attach real quick. Push it down, put that right in, turn it, and boom, locked. So attach it to the collet, and you can go and sand, or even cut. Okay, so that works for these easy block cutting tools and little disc sanders. And take it off, there we go. Then we've got some grinding stones, detail grinding stones. Got some engraving bits. Got your wrench. And it's a straight cutter. And these are the accessories. So this is the Dremel 4300. Pretty cool tool. Can't wait to start using it. I did buy some extra attachments. Got the flex shaft. This will be great for easier detailing and maneuvering of the tool. It'll be very handy. I did buy some extra engraving cutters. So I have a Carving 125, Carving 111, and Carving 134. And let's do a little demonstration and see how this works. Okay, so I'm going to attach the flex shaft to the Dremel tool. First, take this little nut here, put that in here, make sure you hold the lock, tighten that, there we go, and tighten, there we go, and then now, make sure you get the little needle inside there. Okay, now I want to put on the collet, and let's try this small little bit. This one is the 107 carving bit. I'm going to put it in the collet and the collet nut. Free from underneath. Right. Okay. And this in here. And tighten it. So let me just draw a little design. Let's see. We'll do a heart. Okay, so we have a heart. And we plug it in. Let's see. Some hearing protection, some glasses, and some dust mask. Alright guys, so here we go. We got the little heart I just carved out. It's very nice. I'm liking it. I'll probably just like varnish it up or paint it, and do a nice little, first little project with my new Dremel. So thank you for watching my videos, and thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't, please do so and click on the notification bell so you'll know when I have some more new videos coming out. I'd like to do some more carving signs, and I'll have another tool review coming up hopefully soon. And so thank you very much, and until next time, thank you.